Good morning and good evening, depending on what time you guys are going to watch this video. I'm just waking up. I am just waking up, and guess what we have here? I think I'm officially obsessed with buying gifts. I just keep getting these tiny little gifts for myself, and I think it's good. In the spirit of Christmas, it's good to get some good things. So we are going to officially open this. This is a stainless selfie stick. As you all know, I recently bought a stand and a table stand, and now I'm going to unbox this one, and hopefully we are going to get a mic. Okay. Ooh. This is so lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Let me not break it. Last time I had to break the other one. Ignore my raspy voice and focus on this thing. Oh, it's so long. It is so long. It is so long. Yeah. And also, I think it's a multi-purpose. You can also see. You can also turn it into a stand. So I am going to be using all these things. This one is so portable. Even the stand is very portable. The one that I'm currently using to film. And the ring light, of course, I didn't like how it holds my phone. The light keeps falling, but I'll definitely use it as a just light, not the stand, but this one, so I can hold it on vertical. No, this is horizontal. I can hold it on horizontal. Also, you can change it if you want to hold it on vertical. So, oh my goodness, I'm going to test this thing today, and you can guess in the comment section how much this costs. You can guess in the comment section how much this costs, and definitely I should try filming it in action. So thank you guys, and I hope we're going to have a good time this festive Christmas. And ignore my raspy voice, ignore my beat face. The point was to open this thing, and it is done. So thank you, and bye. See you all.